I don't know about this.
Oh, come on, we're already here.
Turn. Then 1, 2, 3, 10, big cut 2.
You know what they say about meeting your hero.
I hear he's very nice.
Is this for all age groups?
No, it's not. How old are you?
I don't know if I'm really cut out for this.
You don't look like you are.
How physical is this?
I guess you don't work out, do you?
Hello? Excuse me?
Go, get in, go! Hi there. Have you gone for the experience?
I don't know.
Well, don't worry. Everyone's welcome here. Come on.
Stay more that way. Well, when you